In this tutorial, I discuss how to use some command line scripts that come with the Lightning Pose app that allow you to run Inference and the Ensemble Kalman Smoother, or EKS, without needing to launch the app. The app is useful for labeling data, training models, and evaluating model performance. However, once you are satisfied with model performance and just want to run inference on a large number of videos, the command line scripts may be easier and more efficient. I recommend thoroughly evaluating your models before you use these scripts, as they make it easy to process large amounts of data without necessarily checking the results closely. There are two scripts that I will discuss. The first script runs inference with a single model on a folder of videos. The second script runs inference with an ensemble of models on a folder of videos, and optionally runs the EKS post-processor algorithm on the outputs. Before we dive into the specifics, there are two prerequisites to running these scripts. First, you must have already trained the models you want to run inference with. Second, you must upload the videos you want to run inference on. Now, let's go over how to upload videos outside of the app using the Lightning Drive feature. In your studio, you will see a folder icon in the Plugins menu on the right. This is your TeamSpace drive. Navigate through the following directories: Studios, This Studio, Pose App, Data. Here, you will see all your available projects. Select the project you want to upload videos to. For this demonstration, I will select First Project Demo. If you have already trained a model and run inference, you should see two folders. The Videos folder contains the original videos from which you extracted frames, and the Videos Infer folder contains videos you have uploaded for inference. If you don't see a Videos Infer folder, you can create one and place your videos inside. This will ensure the app recognizes the folder when processing. To upload a new video, make sure you have selected the Videos Infer folder. Click on the Add Data button in the top right corner. Inside the dashed box at the top, you should see that you are uploading data into the Videos Infer folder for this project. Select one or more videos you want to upload. Click Open to confirm your selection, and then click Upload to begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you should see the videos appear in your project folder. Once all your videos are in place, you can return to the VS Code interface by clicking on the icon below the drive. You should also check to make sure that your default Lightning Studio shell is set to Bash by clicking on your user profile in the top right corner, selecting Global Settings, and then making sure you have selected Bash instead of Z shell. Let's start with the script that runs inference using a single model. The script is located in the scripts directory of the Pose app package, and it is called process_videos.sh. This script requires 5 positional arguments, which I'll walk through one by one. First, I will move into the Pose app directory by typing cd pose app in the terminal. Now I will type bash space scripts/process_videos.sh, followed by the arguments. The first argument is the absolute path to the model directory. I will paste in an example here. The second argument is the absolute path to the folder of videos to be processed. Note that every video in this folder will be processed. If you would like to run inference on a subset of videos, you should save them in a temporary folder first. I will run inference on every video in the Videos Infer folder for the example project. The third argument is a flag that signals whether metrics like temporal norm and post-PCA should be computed. I recommend setting this to true. The fourth argument is a flag that signals whether or not to save a labeled version of the full video, like the checkbox we have seen previously in the Inference tab. Remember that if your videos are large, setting this flag to true will take up a lot of storage space. The fifth and final flag signals whether or not to save a labeled 30-second clip. I recommend setting this to true so that you can easily check the quality of the predictions on these videos. The labeled video flags are independent of each other, so setting both to true will result in a full labeled video and a labeled video clip. Once you have provided all 5 arguments, hit enter, and you will see the inference process begin. Next, I will discuss how to run inference with an ensemble of models and optionally run EKS afterwards. The process looks similar to the previous script. From inside the POSApp directory, I will type bash space scripts / process _ videos _ ensemble.sh. This script has 7 positional arguments. The first argument is a list of model directories, instead of a single model directory like the previous script. Each model directory should be separated by a colon, with no spaces. Here I will use 2 models for simplicity. The next 4 arguments are the same as the previous script: the absolute path to the directory of videos, the compute metrics flag, the create full labeled video flag, and the create labeled video clip flag. The 6th argument is another flag that indicates whether EKS should be run. I will set that to true for this example. Finally, the 7th and last flag is an absolute path to a directory where the EKS outputs should be stored. I will remind you that the inference results for the individual models are stored within the model directories themselves. Once you have provided all 7 arguments, hit enter and you will see the inference process begin. Check out the show notes below for a link to the text documentation of these scripts, which provides more details on each of the positional arguments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.